Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we insert the user successfully into our database using this form. Just wait, okay. Sorry. Okay, see, if you see this is our user insert table. So in this table we successfully insert the data of the user. Okay, now in this video we are going to fetch this data to our application using the list view. In the list view we are going to fetch this data. So for that we create the PHP code for fetch the data from the database. Okay, yeah, this is the code. First of all we check the database connection. If database connection is okay, then we create one query. From here we select the user ID, username, email, password and image part from the user insert table. If everything is connection and the query is successful, if executed, then we store this data inside our array in the row format. Okay, now we need to use this view records.php as our endpoint in our application. Okay, now go to our application. In here, first of all, what we need to do, we need to create one event first. Okay, we need to create one event to fetch the user, right? Okay, we create the event. This is the fetch users event. Now in our user block we need to this is our insert data method. Now here we need to fetch the data. So just wait a second, I just copy and paste this method and simply paste it here, and this will be fetch user. Okay, so URL so our URL will be demo, that will be view records. I think it is view records. Yeah, it is view records. Okay, view record.php, and we are going to get the data, right? So that will be inside our try and catch block. Okay, just do one thing, I just remove this. So inside try, final response, wait, http.get URI.parse, and that will be the URI. If response dot status code equal to 200, then we if you remember in our previous video we create one state where when user is loaded, that means the list is populated, we simply give this list as a name as users. Okay, so we need to call that user list in our in our block. Okay, final users json.decode, and here we are going to response dot body. Okay, now here emit user loaded, right? user is loaded. So inside user loaded there will be users list. Okay, so here we can simply print user list populated successfully. If error, we can simply say fail to load data. Okay, now here we need to do one thing. Here it is loaded, right? But first of all it will be in a loading state, right? User loading. Okay, this is our fetch user method. Okay, now in our view user, in app bar issue, user can simply go to the insert database, right? Now in the body section we need to populate the user. In the body section we need to populate the user list. So for that we need to design our we need to design our body section here. So let's design the body section here first, then I will explain you what is going on inside the code. Okay, okay, I completed the UI design part, but here list is not populating. Let me check why list is not here. Yeah, fetch user is event is created, state is all okay. BLoC here, BLoC on fetch user. Now it is loading stage. So it if it is loading stage, so according to the code it will be display the circular progress indicator. Okay, it is displaying the circular progress indicator. Now after getting the view records, it is view records. Okay, it is correct. endpoint is correct. It is get method URI.parse, source code is 200. Okay, session body, user list is popular. Let me check this is printed or not. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me just let me just run the application once again to check whether what is going on here. Let's check the user list is populated successfully, message will print out or not. Okay, if it is print out, then our list is populating but it is not displaying in here, so then our problem will be in our UI part. But our list is, if the list is not populating, that it means our when our main file is hitting the user block, at that time something is going on. Because as you see here, our provider first go to our user block section. Okay, I got the error. Now if you see, our provider first go to our user block. Okay, so when user go to the our provider go to the user block, here it the provider get confused because here insert user is here and fetch user is also here. Okay, so now what provider will take, right? Which method he need to initialize first, right? So we need to mention that here, otherwise he got confused what you need to do first, if you need to insert or if you need to fetch, because in our main page we are fetching the data, right? So for that we need to add here like fetch users method. Okay, now if we cut it and run it again, again find that, paste here, user list is populated successfully, will print or not. Let's check. I think this time we get the list if our connection is established successfully. Okay, okay, as you see here, user list populated successfully. So it's first go to this fetch user method, then it populate this data, then you can use the other method also. Just like if you click here, it will if you click here, we go to the insert page. When the button is clicked, that method will be called. This is insert user method will be called. Okay, so now what we need to do, one thing here in our view user data, we need to do some modification, right? Because okay, just for one check, let's see our bottom sheet is populating or not, button sheet is displaying or not. Okay, it is displaying. Okay, it is displaying. When you click user, edit is click. When you delete is click. Okay, our bottom sheet is displaying correctly. There is no there is no error in here. So let's just do some modifications, like in our container, add some padding. So the as insect dot symmetric from horizontal suppose 16.0 and from vertical it is suppose 8.0. okay, it is changed. Now color will be white. okay, so our color will be white. Now in our card, okay, in our card we need to do some changes, like margin will be as inside dot symmetric, vertical is 6.0 and color is suppose card color. okay, card color. okay, perfect. Now go to our title. Here we need to do some style, like text style, font size is 16. Is this okay? okay, 16 is okay. Now color is white and the font width is bold. okay, okay. Now the email comes to the email. Style is text style, font size is suppose 12 and font weight is normal and the color is suppose gray. okay, gray dot, say it's suppose 100. sorry, say it's 300. okay, perfect. Now here color is white. okay, and also container. okay, now in here padding is as insect.all suppose 16.0 and in the column we are going to main axis size is main axis dot minimum. okay, let's hot reload it, and when we click on this button, okay, now it is take the minimum size. okay, it is earlier it is takes the whole half of the screen, but it is now it is take the minimum size here. okay, that's cool. That is fine. Also one more thing, just do one thing. Background color will be light. Light card color. okay, let's hot reload it and just okay, that is perfect now. Now in the next video we are going to edit the user, also we are going to delete the user. okay, that's it for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you.